Hello tool enthusiasts, I'm Chris and I'm wearing a gray shirt today, which means it's a day after the last video that I made on the Craftex CX125 planer review. I realized that I made some mistakes in that video and I got some good feedback from you. Thank you very much for everybody who commented. What I would like to address now is a side-by-side comparison so you can see exactly how these two machines are performing. On the right, you've got a tool that I purchased 7 weeks ago and it has been working really exactly as I would expect it. And on the left, you have the tool that's just back from warranty service and BusyBee says is working to spec and they don't think it needs to be repaired. So let's see how they perform side by side with some 4-inch wide beach. So as stated in my previous video, BusyBee thinks that the tool that's just back from warranty is working just fine and doesn't need to be fixed. My position is that it is still deficient, it still needs to be fixed, or it needs to be replaced. If you think it's performing inadequately, then give me a thumbs up and stay tuned to see how things work out. Thanks for watching.